Hello everyone, from other side. In the previous video, we have learned how we can multiply a two-digit number with 11. Now in this video, we will learn how to multiply a three-digit number with 11. So without any delay, let's start and let's learn how to do that. Suppose I'm taking this example, multiplication of 1, 2, 3 by 11. So you have to write rightmost digit at the unit place, leftmost digit at the thousands place now. Okay. Now in between we have to put two digits here. Now what will be that two digits? First will be sum of these two. 1 plus 2 is 3. And here the sum of these two numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5. And in a single steps you will get your answer. You can just check it. You can verify it by simply multiplying these numbers with 11. See, 3, 5, 3, 1. This is the answer. So let's take another number. Suppose I am taking 2, 3, 4 now. So 2 will come here, 4 at unit place, and in between two digits will come. So one will be 3 plus 2, 5, and another will be 3 plus 4, 7. In this method, we will just make a pair of two digits. Why two digits? Because we are multiplying a number with 11 and 11 contains two digits. When we will do the multiplication with triple one, then we will make a pair of three digits also. That we will learn in the next video. So till let's take another number. Suppose I am taking this one now. So 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 1, 3. See how fast is this and how easy is that. Okay, let's take another number. 2, 2, 2. Suppose. So 2, 4, 4, 2. In a single step, you can just do it like this. Okay, let's take another example. 3, 3, 4. So 3 on your thousand place, 4 at your unit place, here and here on tens place, 4 plus 3, 7, on that 100 place, 3 plus 3, 6. This is my answer. So these all are the example where there is no carry. Now let's solve the examples where we are having the carry. So I am taking example like this. So this multiply by 11. Now how to do that? The same method as we have done earlier also. Here 4 plus 5, 9. Here 7 plus 5, 12. Now how to do that now? Keep 7 as it is. Out of these 12, keep this 2 as it is and move 1 forward to 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So keep 0 here and again move 1 forward. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. This will be my answer. Let's take another example. This 5 as it is, 7 as it is. In between, I must have two numbers. 6 plus 5, 11. 7 plus 6, 13. Okay. Now, keep 7 as it is. Out of these 13, you have to put 3 here and move this 1 forward here. Now, 11 plus 1 is 12. Keep 2 here and move 1 forward. And 5 plus 1 is 6. So, this will be the answer. You can just check it also by just multiplying. So this is the answer. Okay. Now take another example. Suppose take the maximum number of three-digit number, maximum 999. Now let's see what the result will be. 9 plus 9, 18 and 9 plus 9, 18. So how it follows? 9 out of 18, 8 keep here and 1 forward. So 18 plus 1, 19. Keep 9 here and move 1 forward. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is the answer. Let's take another example. Keep 7, 9 here. 7, 8, 15. 8, 9, 17. Now 9, 7, 1 move, 6 and then 1. So this is my answer. You can try it yourself and you can just improve the speed. Now let's take one last example of suppose 7, 7, 7. Okay. Now keep 7 here, keep 7 at unit place, thousand place, and in between I am having 7 plus 7, 14, 7 plus 7, 14. Keep 7 here. Out of 14, 4 here, move 1 forward. 14 plus 1, 15. 5 here, move 1 here. This will be the answer. Without doing any single multiplication here, by just, you can say, addition, we are just simply doing this. Okay, hope you like it and just do it, practice it, improve your speed, do this in your maths. Okay, let's meet in the next video. So thank you and have a nice day.